Greetings. In this tutorial, we will be covering Google Docs. Google Docs is the word processor included in G Suite. This tutorial is divided in two parts. The first part is about the creation of documents, wherein formatting and some other tools are covered. In the second part, we cover the more practical applications of Google Documents. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. With that, let's begin our Google Doc tutorial 1. Let's get started with learning about Google Docs. First, we open our search engine. Here, I'm using the Google search engine. Next, we click on the icon next to Images on the top right hand corner. Then, from the drop down list, we select Google Docs. Now, as you can see, a list of templates or designs are displayed. Since we are just starting out, we choose the blank option. First, we look into some basic formatting tools offered by Google Documents. Here, as an example, I'm just going to copy paste a little text. The zoom drop down is used to adjust the magnification of the page. To set the magnification to fit the window, we select the fit option from the drop down menu. Then, we select the text we wish to format. The styles drop down is used to set the text style. We have title, subtitle, heading, and etc. This helps us in organizing our text easily. Next, we have this font drop down, which is used to select the desired font type. Similarly, we have the size drop down, which is used to select the desired font size. Then, we have bold, italics, and underline, which are used to darken, italicize, and underline the selected text. Next, we have text color and highlight color, which allows us to change the color of the text and highlight it. Next, we look into alignment and inserting media tools. Alignment refers to the changing position of the text. Here, we have four options for aligning our selected text. We have left, center, right, and justify. The next feature we look into is insert link, which allows you to insert a hyperlink into the document. Hyperlink is the address that you had typed in the search bar earlier. For this, we first select the necessary text we want to attach the link to. Then, we select insert link. Then, in the link tab, we copy paste our required hyperlink and press apply. Alternatively, you can also directly select insert link and type in the text in the text box given and then link the same text in the link tab. Next we see is insert image, which allows you to insert an image into the document. Here, we first select the insert image tab, select the location we want to insert the image from, browse and select the desired image, and then select open. Alternatively, you can also insert an image by clicking on the Insert tab and choosing Image. Next we have is Add Comments, which allows you to add comments to the selected text. Here, we first select the necessary text and then select Add Comment. Note that the comments will only be visible to the people you have shared the document with and have the edit access. This will be covered in the later bit. The next topic that we covered are lists and line spacing. Line spacing allows you to adjust the distance between two lines or paragraphs. For this, we first select the desired sentences or paragraphs. Then we select line spacing and choose the desired distance between the lines. Next we cover our lists. Lists allow you to organize your information into concise points. Numbered lists allow you to organize your information in the form of numbered points. And similarly, bulleted lists organize your information in the form of bulleted points. To create a list, we just select either of the options and begin typing. Then, to move on to the next option, we press enter. Alternatively, you can also type out your information first and then select the group of sentences and click on either of the list buttons. Next, we look into the inserting tab. Here, we first select the insert button. The first option we have is image. On selecting images from the drop-down menu, we choose where we wish to select the image from. We have upload from computer, which selects an image from the computer. We have search the web, clicking on which opens the search box on the side, allowing you to search the web for pictures. Then we also have Drive, which allows you to select an image from the Google Drive. And we also have Camera, which uses your computer or mobile phone camera to take a picture and insert it into the document. Then we have inserting tables. Here we select the table option and then choose the dimensions of the table by clicking on the box given. Here I am creating a 4x3 table. Next we learn how to insert charts. For this, we first click on the charts option in the insert drop-down. Then, from the given options, we select the type of chart we need. Once you're done, a chart is displayed on the screen. It takes certain default values and constructs a chart. We can edit these values to plot the desired figure. To edit, we select the image, click on the right-hand top corner and choose Open Source. Now, you will get a Google Sheets document. If you aren't familiar with it, don't worry. We cover it in a future tutorial. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have a bar chart and its corresponding table, which consists of 4 rows and 2 columns. You can add a new column by simply right-clicking below on an empty cell next to the column and type in the values. All this will be covered in a future tutorial, so don't worry about it now. All we have to focus here is to change the existing data and add new columns and rows. Now we add an additional row. Put in the values. We can also edit the existing values by clicking on the cell. Now, as you can see, the bar chart gets automatically updated. These same concepts apply for all the other charts on the list. They have been left to you as a training exercise. We go back to the untitled document and update the bar chart. Next, we learn how to insert special characters. For this, we select Insert Equations. Now, as you can see, a blue text box appears. You can type in different variables, symbols, and numbers here. The document recognizes it as an equation and accordingly formats it. For example, y superscript 3. As you can see, it gets automatically y cubed is equal to mx plus 3.